Hello student, my name is Kushal and today we will discuss about various types of moment of inertia formulas. The first one is rectangle. So let us draw a figure. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Suppose this is capital B and this is capital D. So for x-axis, the moment of inertia will be B D cube upon 12. For y-axis, the formula will be D B का क्यूब अपॉन 12. अब बात आती है हम इसे याद कैसे करेंगे. तो x एक्सिस के लिए x के पैरेलल कौन सा है b, तो b को एज इट इज़ रखेंगे और d का क्यूब अपॉन 12 कर देंगे. फॉर y एक्सिस, y एक्सिस के पैरेलल क्या है d, तो d को एज इट इज़ रखेंगे, b का क्यूब अपॉन 12. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज होलो रेक्टेंगल. Now let us draw a figure. This time we are taking hollow rectangle. Let us draw y-axis. Now x-axis, x and y. Small rectangle के लिए हम लेंगे small b और बड़े वाले के लिए लेंगे आउटर वन के लिए कैपिटल बी. ऐसे ही फॉर स्मॉल रेक्टेंगल वी विल टेक स्मॉल डी एंड फॉर द बिग वन वी विल टेक कैपिटल डी. नाउ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया फॉर एक्स एक्सिस विल बी बी डी क्यूब माइनस small b d cube upon 12. This is for x-axis. Now for y-axis, it will be d b cube minus small b d का cube upon 12. So this is a moment of inertia for x-axis and y-axis for hollow rectangle. Now we will discuss for circle. Third one is circle. So let us now draw a figure. The diameter of the circle will be capital D. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. So for circle, the moment of inertia will be same for ixx and iyy, which is pi by 64 d की power 4. This will be formula for moment of inertia for circle. Now we will discuss about hollow circle. The fourth one is hollow circle. Let us draw a figure. Here the smaller circle will be D and the bigger one will be capital D. Let us draw y-axis. Now x-axis, so the moment of inertia for hollow circle will be For x-axis and for y-axis, it will be pi by 64 capital D की power 4 minus small d की power 4. Now we will discuss moment of inertia for triangle. The fifth one is triangle. So let us now draw a triangle. The height of the triangle will be, let us suppose, h. This is the centroid. Now we will draw x-axis. Y-axis. Let us denote the base as AB. This is we called apex. Let us denote this by P and Q. So the moment of inertia for triangle about the centroid will be now let us denote this as B, capital B. So the moment of inertia about centroid for triangle will be B h cube upon 36. For apex it will be bh cube upon 4. For base it will be bh cube upon 12. So these are the moment of inertia formulas for triangle. Now the sixth figure is semicircle. Let us draw a figure. Let us draw y-axis. Let us draw x-axis. See, the distance between the base of semicircle and the centroid is 4r upon 3 pi. Okay. So the moment of inertia of semicircle about x-axis will be 0.11 r to the power 4. Okay, and for y-axis it will be pi by 8 r to the power 4. So these are the moment of inertia about x-axis and y-axis for semicircle. Now we will discuss the seventh figure, which is quarter circle. Now let us draw a quarter circle. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. The distance between the centroid and the base will be 4r upon 3 pi, and also this distance also will be 4r upon 3 pi. So the moment of inertia for quarter circle about x-axis will be 0.11 divided by 2 r to the power 4. Also for Iyy it will be same as x-axis. So these are the most commonly used moment of inertia formulas for different figures. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.